You've mentioned in your book several times that it's important for a developer to understand or have knowledge of the domain they're working on. And you've also recognized these issues for yourself as a young coder early in the days. So the question is for like mentors or senior people, what are effective ways of kind of stoking their younger counterparts to have them interested in the actual problem they're solving, perhaps the business part, not just the science and the technology behind it?
Well, the thing that I found most useful for getting young developers interested in the actual business problem is to have those young developers in the room with customers, or better yet, send them out into the field with customers. I was very fortunate to work at a company in my younger years where the product we were selling was to the telephone companies, and the product helped the people who were up on the poles repairing phone lines. So that was our customer, the end user, the guys up on the poles. And the CEO of our company put in place a process where every programmer would go out into the field and spend a day in the truck with the guy who had to climb up on the pole and just watch what that guy was doing. And it was immensely valuable. As a young person, you see that what those folks had to deal with and the amount of expertise they had in their job, and your role is to help these experts up on the pole. What can you do to make their lives better? That just sets the whole thing in your head, and you go back from that and go, okay, I think I understand the problem here.
So tying this in with your American way of doing things, for the people that would not want to do this, we should also fire those guys as well.
Fire who? Who am I?
That don't want to talk to the customer, or spend time with the customer to actually understand their business problem, and just say, hey, I'm a developer. I work the software. I work the code. I don't really care about that guy's problems, right?
You have no business writing code for someone if you don't understand that person's problem. Right? I don't care if you fling, a whole bunch of math symbols together and a whole bunch of code together. If you cannot get into the head of the person who's got the problem, you've got no business writing code for that.